5 causes and solutions for oil leaks through exhaust. 1. Examine the end of exhaust pipe. Sometimes the leaked oil coming from exhaust might not be oil at all. The exhaust pipe can usually be the main source of this problem. If you are a lazy car owner and haven't cleaned it for years, aside from our maintenance tips, we suggest checking the outside of the pipe, since it usually collects soot and the layer could be pretty thick. Mixed with that soot, the condensation coming out of the car exhaust could form an oil-like liquid. But worry not, driver can fix this issue very easy. All you need to do is wearing a glove and running a finger on the inside of the pipe to see if there's soot. 2. Congested PVC valve. As we all know, internal engine gases travel to the combustion chambers through the PVC valve. When it's clogged, the growing amount of gas volume creates pressure on the engine. This will forces the oil to pass several seals and into the exhaust pipe. The warning signs for this kind of oil coming out of exhaust problem are bluish smoke and oil-smeared spark plugs. In order to fix this, car owners can replace the valve. This is an easy solution to address the problem. 3. Ruptured head gaskets. Being a part of the exhaust system, these act as a seal between the engine heads and the block. A blown gasket lets one or more fluids to get past the seals and mixed into the exhaust stream. So if you find oil coming out of exhaust, this could be a place to take a look. The symptoms are the overheated engine, reduced engine performance, and excessive fuel burning. You have to change the defective gaskets to bring the system back to normal. 4. Worn valve guides. Valve guides control the gas flows into and out of the engine. They have seals around their shafts that may wear out with time. In the case the engine oil leaks and runs into the exhaust gases, you will detect bluish smoke coming out of the tailpipe if this problem occurs. 5. Detect the smoke colors. The colors of the tailpipe smoke are good signs to detect the type of oil coming out of exhaust problem. Black smoke refers to unburnt fuel, which means that the engine fails to burn 1 or 2 combustion catalyst. Gray or bluish smoke means the leaking of engine oil into the internal combustion chamber. On the other hand, white smoke requires a thorough examination of the engine. The problem could lie in the combustion chamber or because of faulty piston oil rings.